Amazon Prime Day 2019 comes on July 15th and 16th, but you don't necessarily have to shop at Amazon to get the greatest deals. Several other retailers, including Target, B&H Photo, Best Buy, and more, are getting on the savings. What's better is that most retailers across the US don't even require a membership. It's still worth checking Amazon to see what's on sale, but there's a good chance that your preferred retailer will be able to price match a product that you're interested in buying. Also, all prices are listed in USD, and all items, their price, and the links to buy it will be in the description. So check it out after you watch this video. First, entertainment. Sonos Beam soundbar is now at $399 at Best Buy, which you might have noticed is its usual price. But now it comes with a $100 Best Buy gift card with the purchase. The Jabra Elite 65T truly wireless headphones are now $120 at Best Buy. Usually it's $170, so you're saving $50 on some good headphones. So if you are looking for some headphones, you should pick that up. Plantronics BackBeat Fit 2100 wireless earbuds are now $60 at Best Buy, and usually it's $100, so you're saving $40. Unfortunately, AirPods are not on sale though, so that's your best deal. But if you're looking for some Bluetooth speaker, then you should buy the ultimate Ears Boom 3 Bluetooth speaker. It's now $120 at Best Buy, and usually it's $150, so that's $30 in savings. Now, if you're looking for some TVs, well, the LG 65-inch C8 4K HDR OLED TV, that's a mouthful, are now $1,600 on eBay, and it's usually around $2,000. $400 that you can save on a TV? Wow. But if you're looking for a TV made by Samsung, well, then there's the Samsung 55-inch 4K HDR TV, and the model is NL6900, and that right now costs only $400. Yeah, you heard that right, a 4K TV, $400. If you're on a budget and you need a 4K TV, that's the way to go. And just saying, it's usually $530 in case you weren't keen already. So yeah. There's another one too, the Samsung 65-inch 4K HDR TV, model NU6900, is now $600, and it's usually $830. This one is at B&H Photo. Of course, there's two other TVs. There's the Samsung 75-inch 4K HDR TV, model NU6900, at $1,000. You're saving $1,500 there. And there's the Vizio 70-inch E-Series 4K TV. That's also HDR. It costs $800, and you're saving $200 there. It also includes a $50 gift card, so that might be a good deal too, but I recommend the Samsung one for its reliability. Various Blu-ray movie collections, including John Wick, The Matrix, The Dark Knight, and more, are also discounted at Best Buy. Computing. Listen here, these two deals that I'm about to tell you are really good deals. And first, I need to turn on the lights because I forgot to. There we go. So, the Asus 17.3-inch gaming laptop, which has the Ryzen 7 CPU, GTX 1650, 8 gigs of RAM, and 512 gigabytes of SSD storage, is now only at $750 at Best Buy, and its usual price is $1,000. You're saving $250 right there on that gaming laptop. I know you want it, but I don't because I have this, but it's a Mac, so you can't game on it. Anyways, there's also Microsoft is bundling a free set of Surface headphones with the Surface Book 2, which starts at $1,700. The Surface headphones are one of the best wireless over-ear headphones out there, and I have a video about it. If you want to check it out, just scroll to the bottom of my channel. It's pretty old, but that's a good deal if you are looking for a Surface Book. But if you're not, then it's still a good deal, to be honest. Wearables. You've probably seen me wear my Apple Watch quite often, and it's on discount right now. So if you're looking for the Series 4 GPS 40mm version, then it's only $350 at Best Buy right now. So you're saving $50. But if you're looking for the 44mm GPS model, which is also the Series 4, it's only $379 at Best Buy, and its usual price is at $430. So you're also saving $50 right there. Again, $50 in savings in a smartwatch is pretty good. So why not just pick it up, or even just save it until someone's birthday and just give it to them. Buy it, yeah, buy it. Next up is gaming. Xbox One S consoles now includes an extra wireless controller plus a HyperX Cloud 2 headset for only $300 at Walmart. What? I'm literally shocked. And next up, there's the Seagate 2TB hard drive formatted for Xbox One. Is only $80 at Target. $80 for 2 terabytes. Are you crazy? You must be crazy if you're not picking this up. I'm crazy because I'm not picking it up. The Xbox One S and X console bundles aren't discounted, but right now it includes an extra wireless controller and Halo 5 Guardians for no additional charges at Best Buy. Sony PlayStation Classic Mini Retro controllers is now $20 at Best Buy. This is the lowest price yet. Jeez! $20? Team Sonic Racing is only $30 on PS4, Nintendo Switch, and Xbox One at Best Buy right now. So if you are somewhat interested in that game, maybe pick it up while it's discounted. The MLB Snow 19 for PS4 is also $30, but this time at Target. And it's usually $60, so it's 50% off. Now here's the most exciting part. The phones. And you're going to be shocked if you hear these prices. So try to hype yourself up as much as possible so you don't get a heart attack. The Samsung Galaxy S10e unlocked at 128GB of storage is only at $550 at B&H Photo, and it's usually at $750. So you're saving around $200. The Samsung Galaxy S10 unlocked at 128GB is now $700 at B&H Photo, and it's usually $900. So again, you're saving $200. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus unlocked at 128GB of storage is now $800 at B&H Photos, and it's usually $1,000. So these three are really good phones, and they're the newest yet from Samsung. So why not pick it up? you can get up to $500 off on a Samsung Galaxy S10 at Best Buy when you activate your carrier service, bringing the price down to $499 in some places too. Connected home and security. Google Nest Hub, formerly known as the Home Hub, is currently $60 instead of its usual price $130 on eBay. This is the lowest price that we've ever seen for this smart display. It's literally 60% off. If you don't have anything, like not even a Google Home Mini, get this. Okay, just buy it. I don't care if you think it's useless or something. Just buy it. It's 60% off. Anyways, 2 packs of the Google Home speakers costs $99 at Target, which is usually $100 per device. You're getting 2 for the price of 1. So, buy it? I said that too many times. I think you're just numb to it. Anyways, drones and action cameras. The DJI Osmo action camera is only $320 at B&H Photo, and it's usually at $336.99. Of course, all of the drones and stuff by DJI don't go on discount that much, so you're only going to save around 10%. So, what can I say? The DJI Osmo Pocket gimbal is now also $320 at B&H Photo, and it's usually $350. The DJI Mavic Air Drone in black is now $680 at B&H Photo, and it's usually $731. The DJI Mavic Air Drone Fly More bundle is now only $880, and it was $940. This is all of the deals that I've been able to get. And remember, all of the links are in the description. If you need some extra proof of why you should buy it, you can just go on YouTube and search around, see some other people's videos. But if you like my video that I've created, why not press the like button and subscribe? Also, shout out to all you Redditors that recently subscribed to me. I've gained 13 subscribers in one day because of you guys. So, thank you so much. That's it for the entire video. Click somewhere to, I don't know, watch a video, and subscribe also. Don't forget. That's what gives me motivation. And bye.